How to remove the front bumper, fenders, and rear bumper off a Nissan Skyline R34. First, pop off these push rivets. There's 3 in the middle and 2 facing you. From the fender well, pop off your fender liner, and you'll see 2 10mm bolts holding it to the fender. The second bolt is slightly trickier to get to, but it's attached to a white plastic bracket. Underneath, there's several 10mm bolts you'll need to remove. If you have a parking antenna, you can twist it off using a pair of snap ring pliers or a small needle nose plier. Now you can remove the front bumper. If you have fog lights, it's held on by these 2 10mm bolts. Moving on to the fenders, remove these 10mm bolts here. There's also 2 on the side over here. Also, remove this bracket. Open the door. There's 1 bolt on top by the side mirror. At the bottom of the door, there's 1 bolt near the door speaker area. There's another 2 bolts underneath the car. After removing all those bolts, the fender will come off. To remove the rear bumper, pop off the 3 push rivets here in the middle. Then underneath, remove the 10mm bolts at the bottom. Inside the trunk, twist off these push rivets and remove the trunk liner around the tail lights. There's 2 10mm bolts you need to remove inside the trunk on each side. The top one is behind the liner. The bottom bolt is right below the liner in the spare tire area. By the license plate, there's 2 push rivets you need to remove and 2 Phillips head bolt for the license plate light bracket. That concludes this tutorial. Please like and subscribe.